Looking for a highly equipped SUV with every luxury option you could possibly imagine? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED daytime running headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch fully polished aluminum wheels, heated exterior mirrors, LED tail lamps, polished dual exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch LCD instrument cluster with tachometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 19 speakers with high-performance audio, SELEC-TERRAIN system, rear seat dual-screen Blu-ray and DVD player, heated second-row seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3199A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.